Don't let freezing temperatures ruin your winter. Here's a quick guide to winterizing your plumbing. Start by disconnecting all exterior faucets and hoses. Store them indoors to prevent freezing. Insulate any exposed pipes in unheated areas like crawlspaces or attics. This will help prevent them from freezing. If you're leaving your home for an extended period, consider draining the entire system. This involves shutting off the main water supply and draining faucets throughout the house. If you're not draining the system, leave faucets slightly open to allow a trickle of water to flow. This helps prevent pipes from freezing. By following these simple steps, you can protect your plumbing from freezing temperatures and avoid costly repairs. Stay warm and cozy this winter.